Hello from Taj Murder Medics. I've got a VW Sharan here on a 2015-2016 plate. Just doing the inspection reset as well as the oil reset. I know the oil one's quite easy. With the long life reset, usually you would need a diagnostic tool for this, but for this particular model, you don't need it, and I'm going to show you how it's done. If you come forward and just switch the ignition on, I'll tell you exactly what I need to do. So if you look in the center right there, it says oil change plus inspection is now due. Now with this button right here, if I go into the menu, scroll down to service, go into information, now you can see that's minus 99 days and that's minus 99 days as well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to reset both of them at the same time. First of all, we're going to do the oil reset. If you just hold the camera right there. Right, so what you need to do is you've got to hold this button right here. Once you hold this button, you've got to switch the ignition on, and then on the inside, like right there, you'll see what I mean. Okay, so if I hold this, switch the ignition on, as you can see on the inside, it says reset oil change service. I would say yes, press the OK button from here. And now that's done. Okay, we've got the inspection one left now. So again, what you got to do first is make sure everything is shut, the bonnet, the boot, the door, everything is shut. You switch the hazards on. Once you switch the hazards on, as you can see right there, the hazards on, I then press the same button again, and then I'll switch the ignition on, and now you can see it says inspection reset. I then press OK. That's done. Now just to confirm, I'm just going to switch the hazards off. If I go back onto the main menu, scroll down to service, information. Now you can see right there, it says 9,400 miles, 365 days, 20,100 miles, 365 days. That's all it was. That's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, drop us a comment below. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.